Did you know that you can schedule emails in Gmail, and it can be very useful and helpful in multiple scenarios? One example of that can be you work in the morning hours and your team works 24/7, and you want your team members that come in the night shift to receive that important update or important email right when they start their shift. But that's outside your business hours. So you can compose an email and schedule it so as soon as they start their shift, they're going to receive that important update in their email inboxes, so that stays above on top of their inbox and they can be updated. Another example of the same can be you want the recipients of a meeting to receive an important update right before the meeting, maybe 15 minutes before the meeting starts, and maybe you are occupied with another meeting at that time. You don't have time to compose that email and send it to the recipients. It can be the agenda, it can be some important note for the meeting, for the upcoming event. What you can do in that particular situation, again, you can schedule that email and it'll be sent out and received by all the recipients of the meeting, all the attendees, 15 minutes prior to the meeting. Scheduling an email on Gmail is extremely simple and an easy process. I'm going to take you to my computer screen. We're going to learn how to schedule emails right now. So we're on my computer screen now, and this is the main interface of Gmail. You would need to click on Compose Email, just like you compose a new email. We full screen that so you can get a better view. So let's say we want to send an email to this recipient. I'll just choose my own email ID and let's call it a test subject, test email. So that's how you usually do it. Before you click the send button, you can see there's a drop down arrow next to it which says more send options. As soon as you click on this, you can see schedule send. You need to click on schedule send and it gives you 3 options. So you can send it tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or Monday morning, or it gives you an option to pick a date and time. So you can click pick date and time. And let's say I want this email sent out on Monday, which is going to be November 28th from the time when I'm making this video. And let's say I choose a time slot. So let's say not 3:28, but maybe 1:15. So let's say my meeting was starting at 1:30 and I want this email sent at 1:15. Now I can click schedule send and it has just scheduled that message to be sent on Monday, November 28th at 1:15 p.m. I can view the message. So this is actually in the schedule folder right here in my Gmail. Send schedule for Monday. I can also cancel send if I don't want this sent anymore, or I can just keep scheduling, different emails and they would show up under my scheduled email section. That's how easy it is to schedule emails in Gmail. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.